Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to do harvesting from one of my raised beds, and I want to show you just how loaded this bed is and how beautiful it looks. Let's get started. So this is the one brassica bed that I have been referring to, and it is fully loaded. And this is the bed that we're going to harvest and remove just about everything in it today. And first thing we're going to get here are my mustards, and I'm going to cut them down to the soil line and leave the root intact. It will rot away and turn into food for vegetables that I will plant at a later date in this bed. That's one of them. They look beautiful. Here's another one. Uh, in all, we're going to have 4 heads of mustards, looking like this. Next, we're going to get collards. we're going to get my first head of lettuce. I'm sorry, first head of cabbage, and it is a pretty big head. Here we go. Nice big head. In this bed also we have one turnip. So we're going to get that. Cut some of this root off. And remove some of the pine needles. And overall, decent size. We have some more collards here that we're going to get. Oh man, a couple of Lord. No biggie. Just move it. This is a small broccoli, I'm sorry, cauliflower that is growing here. So I'm going to leave it for now. Maybe we'll get cauliflower. This is another cabbage, very small. Hasn't started really forming a head yet. This is a spent broccoli, has some small shoots, and I'm going to go ahead and get them. This broccoli plant, I'm going to go ahead and remove. But I'm going to take the leaves off and use those like collards. Now, all of these stems and discarded leaves that are here, I'm going to come back at a later date and remove them and put them in my compost bin. So this bed has been cleaned out with the exception of one cabbage and what I believe are cauliflower. What I thought was a Swiss chard. It's not a Swiss chard. It has what looks like a cauliflower head growing in the middle, and the smaller one does as well. So I decided to leave those to see if we get anything. And in the bed next door to it, we cleaned that out and we left our 3 Brussels sprout plants. Now I have little small sprouts on them, but in all honesty, I'm not really expecting a major harvest or even a good harvest. But it doesn't mean that I will give up trying to grow Brussels sprouts. I'll keep trying until I get it right. So here's my harvest just from one bed. We have the turnip here. We have a head of cabbage. We have some, I want to say this is a Romanesco type cauliflower. We have collards, and we have mustards, and we have broccoli leaves that we're going to use like collards. Overall, a tremendous harvest from one bed, and I am very happy with it. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did this harvest. And as I said before, I am tremendously satisfied. It's a big harvest out of one bed, and it just goes to show you what I can grow and what the possibilities are of the type of food that I can grow here. We can be very self-sustainable and won't have to buy produce or anything like that from the grocery stores. So I want to thank you. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so you can share my material. Leave me a comment and I will reply. And until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.